Hey guys, it's Dancing to KweeCrew. I just checked and Big Kwee's gone. So we'll have to find someone else that got our package from the post office. Don't worry, Adrian, I have a plan. I'm not Adrian, Rambo, I'm Sugar. Now what's the string for? I've gotta be the J side to the end. We'll cast that out and see who we can catch. Great idea! Now all we have to do is wait. 15 minutes later.
Don't mind if I save.
Yo, Adrian, I think we got them here. I'm Sugar! Oh, we got a pull!
Huh?
It worked! Will you go to the post office to get our package, Mickey?
My name isn't Mickey. It's Hardy B. Buns.
Can you please get it for us, Hardy?
Well, I did eat your cheese.
One post office visit later. Yo, Adrian, you wanna pass me that butter? Who is Adrian anyway? Do I look like an Adrian?
I got your backy, Chrissy.
Oh, thank you. Hey guys, I'm back.
Where have you been?
I was at my book club. We just started reading the Sugar Quick Gang, and it is really awesome. What you got there? It's something Rambo and I got with our dishwashing money. That is so cool. Let's get it out of the box. Okay, here it is, guys. We got a box. It's a cute little box that doesn't weigh very much. It's pretty nice. Okay. Now it's time for the scissor. The ultimate weapon in box opening. It's not the box cutter because I don't have one. So it's the scissor. It's a toughie here. The toughie, it looks like it's been banged around a little bit. Okay. Let me try to get this open here. Okay, I'm having a little trouble here, just a minute. That was difficult. Okay, let's see what's in here. I see bubble wrap. Bubble wrap at the dump. Boom, boom. Come on out of there. Don't be shy. What are you? Mysterious package. Come on. Open it up. Open. Oh! Oh, I just had to beat that thing out of there. Okay. I see bubble wrap. There's something wrapped in bubble wrap. I didn't know that people actually wrap things in bubble wrap. I thought it was just for fun, honestly. Okay, I gotta unroll it here. The sound is really funny. I'm gonna have fun with this. Is this bubble wrap or just crinkly wrap? It's a bunch of white stuff. Oh my goodness. It's furniture. Get that out of the way. Boom, boom, boom. Are you ready for this? Oh, it's a little Victorian furniture. Oh my goodness, look at it. It's a little tiny furniture set. We got the coffee table. We got 2 chairs, matching wing chairs. You call them wing chairs? I don't know. And then we got the big old couch. Oh my goodness. Look how cute it is, guys. Oh, hold on. Let me take this camera off the camera stand so I can show you closer. You see that? Look at the little detail in it. Looks like it maybe needs a little bit of washing. Got a little packing dust on it, but it's looking good. Oh my goodness. This was a great buy. Man, I think they bought it off eBay for only $2 and it came out really well. I'll put a link to it in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. Maybe your squishies want a living room set. This was a really great buy. Let's get it set up and see what Sugar and Rambo think about their purchase. This is really comfortable.
I'm impressed. You squishies have good taste.
I totally agree. Adrian picked it out.
That's not even from the same movie. I don't understand these vague movie references.
You know what we should do now?
What?
Have a movie night! Whoa. Now that's a movie night I can get behind. Thanks so much for watching, KweeCrew. Did you enjoy this popcorn ending video? I sure hope you did. Oh, one thing I want to mention is that for the first time in the last 28 days, my watch time has gone up to 1,000 minutes. Isn't that great? Thanks for all the love, KweeCrew. Watch time. Woo! Okay, I hope you all have a great day. Okay, goodbye. Bye, bye, bye. Oh, what? I forgot to tell you. I will put this miniature couch and chair and coffee table set down in the description box if you'd like to see it, okay? Okay, now it's bye, 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 bye. Bye 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 bye. Goodbye.